Hello friends, I'm Ankit and welcome to my channel, and we are towards the last couple of trading sessions for the year 2024, and in this roundup we are going to see how we can profit trading gold, silver, oil and gas today. This is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into gold followed with silver, then crude oil and Indian natural gas. Watch till the end. Crude oil is the one which is traded or started the day on a slightly bullish note, and specifically its natural gas, which is seen the at 3.66. Yes, these are the levels we have not seen for last couple of years. It has breached past the recent highs, or in fact the last year's highs at 3.64. So what to expect from gold, silver, oil and gas? First, let's have a look at the gold. Gold on the weekly chart. See, it is trading at the bottom of this channel. It is finding a bit of support. Very, very crucial for gold to trade now below 2600. And if you look at the formation here, see the last couple of weeks, it is finding support at around this zone. And the last week was an indecision zone where we have seen a very range bound movement for gold. Today it has started on a slight bullish note. It has hit 2628, but failing to I can see a bit of a struggle here. Let's start on the now. When you look at the early chart, see enough consolidation happened here at around 2615-14 zone, and since then it has retraced. Now you can also notice a good support coming in at around 2622, 2620 zone. So if you see gold trading below 2620, that is the point of time you can take a selling entry, but I will recommend you to stay cautious till towards 2614-15 zone, the first support zone here. And if you see gold trading below 2614, you can say more bearishness should prevail there, where we are looking forward to 260810 and then 2600 levels. What I am observing here is the rise, the retracement. It can deliver second round of rise with the higher highs, but a bit of a struggle is seen here at around 2630-32. These are the resistances. Last week also we have observed, and today again these are going to play a major role. Moving averages crossed over here. These are on the sell side. The stochastic at top, while the MACD crossing over at the bottom, showing slight bullishness. RSI flat here. Coming to 2 on the 2 hour chart, see 3 to 4 greener candles. Resistance there on the upside, hitting the median of the Bollinger Bands. Price is trying to reverse. I will wait for it to trade below 2620 levels, below which slight bearishness should prevail. The stochastic overbought here. MACD right now is on the sell side, and the RSI is comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. I am just watchful of this. See, good consolidation here has happened at around 2614-15. That is very, very important. You can see diminishing bullishness, and this could be the reversal candle. Yes, this could be the reversal candle. If you see now gold trading below 2620, we can expect that the forthcoming candles might remain bearish, where the prices might trade below 2614, and once it trades below 2614, then 2610-08 is going to be the prime support. Below that, certainly more bearishness should prevail. Stochastic rising here. MACD on the sell side, RSI is flat. On the 4, similar observation here. Good consolidation has happened here, retracement, and after delivering retracement candles, it is again trying to move downwards. Very, very crucial to observe how it behaves at around 2614-15 levels and then 2610-08. Stochastic rising. MACD is flat here. It has crossed over on the sell side. RSI is flat as well. Coming to see, firstly on the daily charts, moving averages crossing over here, making it the most critical zone for gold to break past by. And again, the topmost part of the resistance is at 2640-42. So if you see gold trading above 2630-32, that is the first part, above which you can expect more bullishness. You can expect gold to move towards 2640 levels here. 3840 should be the first resistance, and beyond that more bullishness may prevail. As long as it stays below 2640-42, we should not be treating this as bullish. Very, very clear. What is happening here? One swing candle, a stepping candle here, and now it is started the day on a slight bullish note, now trying to erase some of the gains. I will wait for 2620 to be breached. Stochastic looking down. MACD is bearish. It is on the verge of a crossover, not yet crossed over though. RSI flat. So ideally I will say till 2614-15 zone we should be very, very careful, and below 2610-08 is where the bearishness should prevail. Below that you should not go with the buys here. Below 260810 you can say we are looking forward to 2600, 2590 and 2580-84 zone again. On the upside now I will but yes, these are a bit far below levels, so you can sell here at 2620-18 zone itself and expect it to move towards 2614-15 first. 260810 second, 2600 third, and then 2591, 2582, 84. On the upside, I will recommend a buying entry here at 2628. Expect 2631, 32, the nearest resistances, then 2638, 40, the next one. If this is, or rather, I will say 2638 and then 2642, the next one. If these two levels are taken, you can stay bullish for 2640, which is going to be the most critical, 2650, which is going to be the next critical milestone here. So yes, greater resistances on the upside and on the downside. Let it break these resistances with a momentum, with a force, and then we can say gold has taken a direction. Right now I can see a good support here on the downside. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Right now you can see a bit of a struggle here at 2930, and then it is trying to bounce back. We know that 2950, 60 is a greater resistance zone, and most importantly, I will say till $30 levels we have stronger resistances for silver every 10 cents. 20, 2950, 2960, 2980, 2990, $30 levels. I will say every 10 cents there are greater resistances. Why? See, the momentum in silver, the movement in silver is very much diminished since last few trading sessions. We have seen a very strict range bound movement here for last few sessions, and now also you can see on the downside 2930 levels proving out to be a good support, and the resistance at 2950 is very clear. So I will say it is consolidated. It can take a direction which could be on the upside, so wait for it to trade above 2950. When you see the lower price above 2950, you can initiate a buying entry. Stochastic rising, MACD crossed over at the bottom, signs of bullishness. RSI flat. Coming to two, similar observation here, support here on the downside, consolidation waiting for a breakout. This breakout can bring little bullishness here where prices can move towards 2970, 80 zone. Right now I will say see, if it breaks below 2930, you can expect 2950 and 29. So either it has to give a breakout on the upside or on the downside in order to confirm a direction. But notice that ideally the bullishness on the upside is in silver is only and only if it trades above $30 levels. Till then you have to be extremely cautious. The stochastic rising, MACD is on the sell side, RSI comfortable. On the three, notice what has happened on the 3 hour. See, consolidation here, a strong consolidation is observed. And also notice the support, the reversal sign here, 2930, very strong milestone. And now I will wait for it to just trade above 2950. The lower price has to be above 2950 in order to confirm further rise, which can take it towards 2965, 70, 2985, 90, and in fact above $30 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is on the sells, RSI rising, showing signs of little bullishness here. Coming to 4, the observation on the 4-hour charts is more or less same. It was outside Bollinger Bands trying to find the support preceding two candles. You can see getting support on the downside, trying to bounce back. Wait for it to trade about 2950, 2960 zone, and then you can say that the bulls might try to take over from there. Yes, indicators are starting to look upwards, specifically stochastic, while the MACD is still on sell. The RSI is comfortable. Coming to look at the daily charts here. One red candle. See, it can deliver a second red candle here. Thus, once you see it is staying below 2930, 2915 zone, wait for 29 and lower levels. Why it could deliver? See, it is consolidated enough. It has delivered a swing candle here, finding the resistance close to $30 levels. This is the first one here, and it can deliver the second one as well. So as long as now today 2970 is not taken, you have to be very careful with the buys. But yes, you can buy here when you see the lower price above 2950. Expect 2965, 70 as the first target, 2985, 90 as the next target, and then you can expect 3005, 3010, and in fact 3025, 3040, 50 levels should appear. On the downside, a selling entry at 2930 levels, expect 2915, 29, 28, 80, 75 as the next, and below that this time we are looking forward to a greater move towards 28, 40, 50 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to crude oil. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. See, crude oil starting off the day on a slight bullish note, it has come down towards 70.6. Now, you know that these are one of my favorite levels. We have seen last week also the struggle at around 70.6, 71 zone. Today again, if you see the lower price above 70.6, you can initiate a buying entry. Wait for oil to trade above 71. Remember, once it trades above 71, we can expect a good bullish move here, 71.5, 72, 72.4, and then beyond that 74.5 and 75 are the targets. See, the moving average is crossing over here. The price is taking the support from the 20 period, makes this a very strong support zone. And also now on the downside till $70 levels and till 69.3 levels, we should not be treating oil as bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD at the peak here, and this also makes this zone at 70.671 as a critical resistances. RSI flat on the two. Observation is similar. My only worry point is the double top, and from this double top, if it starts to reverse and if it trades below 69.3, 68.4 is going to be the next target. So yes, this is the zone where we have to be extra cautious. A breakout here is certainly a good sign of bullishness. Moving averages crossing over here and trading bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI flat. On the three, the observation is more or less same. See, good thing is the support it is getting from the 20-50 period moving average. In fact, the last few candles also you can see the support from the 20 period moving average. The $70 levels indeed is a very good support zone. And see, after a retracement, it is willing to break out. Just let it stay above 70.6. The lower prices, once it trades above 70.6, you can buy, you can expect 71. And this time, if it breaks beyond 71, stay bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising here. On the four, similar observation on the 4 hour charts, bullish here. See this, connect the dots, higher lows, higher highs. So the next destination appears to be at around 71.5. Beyond that, you can expect 72, 72.4, and after that, the sky is the limit on the upside. Remember, oil has consolidated enough or in a tighter zone for a while now, and sooner or later it has to deliver a breakout. Yes, the indicators are looking upwards and showing a little bullishness. Coming to the daily charts, look at the daily charts. See, first of all, the next candle here is about to begin in the next 15-20 minutes. Also notice the median of the Bollinger Bands and the 20-50 period moving average. This is definitely a very strong support zone, and that makes 69.6, 69.3 as a favorite support zone again on the downside. So as long as this is respected, we should not be treating oil as bullish, bearish. And also look at this higher high. So once oil is seen trading above 70.6, stay bullish for 71, 71.5. And notice that it is consolidated enough and oil is ready to deliver a breakout move. I will wait for this to happen. This should take oil to the moon very, very, very soon. Let it give you a breakout. Yes, the indicators are still looking upwards, showing signs of bullishness. So considering this, buy at 70.6, expect 71, 71.5, 72.4, 72, 72.4, and then 73.6, 74.5, 75 very, very, very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at around 70, where you can expect 69.6, 69.7 as the first target, 69.3, 69. 0.2 as the next, and below that 68.8, 68.4. Only bearishness in crude oil is if you see it trading below 68.4. Trade accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Today has hit a 2-year high level. So you've seen 3.66 way back in the beginning of 2023 and in the end of 2022 it has hit 3.66. For last couple of years, the highs what we had seen is that were limited to 3.64. Today, see, a massive gap up was seen as expected, and now it is trading in a range here. Now you know that I have shared several times earlier that beyond 3.66 and 3.64, you can expect natural gas to hit 3.8 level. And see, this breakout, this gap up has appeared after a bit of consolidation now. So it appears that net gas might trade bullish, and if you see it now staying above 3.6 263 zone, you can initiate a buying entry today again. The stochastic dropping here, MACD is still bullish, RSI is overbought. Indicators have some come towards slightly overbought zone, thus we have to exercise a bit of caution, but this is natural gas. It can deliver extremely strong momentum once it breaks out. See, rise, flag formation, breakout here. This might continue. The support levels now on the first at 3.5, next at 3.442, and then 3.3. These are the support levels it needs to break in order to turn bearish. Moving averages crossed over again, looking upward, signs of bullishness. Stochastic overbought, while the MACD, RSI, stochastic all are rising here. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation, nice flag formation and a breakout today. Good sign for the bulls here. Only thing is the gap which it may try to fill, but I am skeptical that it may not try to fill this today at least. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. MACD rising, RSI flat, and on the 4 the observation is similar. So I'll wait for net gas to break 3.62. The lower price has to be about 3.62, where you can initiate a buying entry. Expect it to move towards 3.6566 first target zone. 3.7172 at the next, and 3.8 is very much likely achievable here. Moving average is bullish after flag formation breaking out. Good sign for the bulls here again. Though the stochastic is overbought, while the MACD and RSI both are ready for a good rise. Look at the MACD, look at the waves here. Uh, rise, retracement, higher lows, so higher highs are here to get achieved. Possibly 3.8 should be there very, very soon. Coming to the now, look at the daily charts. Only worry point is the gap up it has shown. And if you notice, first, second, and this is ready for the third. Where are the highs here? The highs are now towards almost 3.7 levels here. So 3.771, or rather I'll say 3.772 is something you should watch out for, and it can start to retrace from those levels. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 3.62 levels. Expect it to move towards 3.6566, 3.772, and then beyond that we can look forward to 3.8 levels, which I was expecting natural gas to hit very, very soon. On the downside, a selling entry at 3.56 can be taken. Expect 3.53, 3.5, and if 3.5 is taken, you can say more bearishness should prevail. 3.45, 3.42 levels should be there. Below this is where real bearishness should prevail, taking it till towards 3.36 and 3.3 levels, chances of which appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you. See you again before the US session with more updates.